Yo! Good morning, family. Welcome in, welcome back. It's a new day, thankfully, and we're ready to do better than yesterday. I ain't gonna hold you guys. I'm embarrassed with how yesterday went, so I'm gonna do everything in my power to just have a good trading day, and not let that be what we experience, because not proud of yesterday, not proud of the way that it all happened, but we got lucky, and we're going to take it and see what we can do here. I'm just going to get these lines set up so we're open for price, day low, day high, and to see what the NASDAQ has in store for us. It did look incredibly bullish. We're up about 400 points right now, so we'll see where we can go. Work bright and early this morning, King. It's been a little bit since that's been the strategy. Let's go, King. Don Dula right behind him. Patsky. Good morning, family. Love having y'all boys. You guys know that. You guys make everything fucking clean. I just gotta fix this because it's leaking a little bit, it looks like. There we go. There we go. And we'll see what we can do. Welcome in. Make sure to smash the like button on your way in, guys. Let's go, Pat. You're the man, King. How's it going for you, sir? How's it going, good mans? Morning, family. GPT, welcome in, King. Morning, Brom. Be patient. Wait for your setup. Let's get it. Let's go. Dial it in. NASDAQ giving some opportunity with 400-point range. All we got to do is take advantage. Be calm. Be cautious. Here comes opening print price. Let's take a quick look at the daily chart or an hourly on a bigger scale here. Did we go grab? I'm going to delete this trend line as well now. Get going. Didn't delete something over here, did I? Feels like longs, just looking at this chart. I mean, maybe a retest towards like one of these swing lows around the 539s, but we'll be patient and we're gonna find out. I'm not really seeing anything obvious jumping out saying take me, so we'll see what we can find here. Gonna be patient today. NASDAQ selling right off the top though, man. Big is that? That feels pretty heavy. Opening print up to the 754s, down to the 682s. So 90-point candle right off the open. Kind of makes shorts feel okay. That kind of makes shorts feel a little bit okay. I almost want to try one. It's a little early. I almost want to short these 725s though, this previous swing high and towards VWAP. Can't do it. Probably be patient today, but man, it doesn't look bad. Good, bro. Had a great trade yesterday. Being patient, gonna get paid. Let's go. Yes, you are, King. Can't wait for it, Pat. Cannot wait for it, King. I kind of was tempted to short these 720s, 730s on a pullback. I think sellers are gonna take this thing down for a little bit, but it's just too early. I'm going to wait for the 15-minute range, wait for something clean, clear. Like I said, it is kind of we're in an area where I can see buyers or sellers taking advantage of this. So I'm just going to be chill, be patient, and just try to do better than yesterday. Still, like I said, overall pretty just embarrassed and disappointed with how I traded yesterday. We had a good trade early. Let a runner go, which I don't usually do, but I just wanted to, tried to see if we could get that to play through, and then give it all back, and then got really, really lucky. So, morning, Dave. Let's go, King. Love the excitement, love the energy. My levels are 28,560 and 32,227. So 30s would be nice, way up the buy side, and you got 28,560s, which would be crazy to come down into for a little buy. I'd be interested in buying the 560s, I'm not going to lie. Not going to lie, I'd be interested in that, Pat. Existing home sales is at 10. Crazy. Got some information coming. 700 whole number right now. Currently printing at the 700 whole number. Just gonna be patient, see what we can find. We have news dropping in 27 minutes. Market's only been open for 3, so let's be patient. 400-point overnight range isn't terrible to see though. Opportunity. We've had opportunity for a while now. I'm not gonna lie. been getting a lot of chances at finding some decent spots. Buyers are trying to push up through these 720s. Do they get there? Or is this a spot to re-get in the shorts? Or do we come back up higher? I don't know. I'm not seeing anything clear, so I'm just gonna be a little bit more reactive instead of predictive. Wait for the 15 minutes. Wait for something clean and obvious, nice and sexy looking. You know what I mean? Can we just get something sexy? We're gonna go back to the 632 or up from here. You think down there? The boys think sell side. I would like it. I mean, like I said, I was interested in that short possibly, but buyers are just looking a little strange here. Maybe a sweep of the overnight high and then continuation to the sell side, Dave. I'm not sure. Or the buyers are just going to hold. Morning, everyone. Welcome in, Matthew. Off that low, I mean, they're up 100 points from these 660s, 670s. We're up 100 points. Buyers trying to look strong. What do we have for clear buy side targets? Maybe these 947s, but really the 30,000s I think is the cleanest level from here. Somewhere in the 30K's is this cleanest spot from here. And do we see it rip all the way like bullish like that? Overnight high getting taken out now. Long's looking pretty certain. 130 points up from the lows here. A couple minutes into the opening print. Wow. 30K buy side objective. Santi still in it Still in it, Santi. Work is the devil. Work is the dirty little man. Let's go. Yeah, I think you're right though, Pat. I think 30K is the objective. I think it's the cleanest, clearest target up there. But as we know, everything is up for grabs. Anything can happen. So we'll wait. We'll see. Support above this overnight high would look like we're going to be looking for 30s. Support above that overnight high would look pretty good. Market's only been open for 6 minutes, so we to try out a new song. I don't know if I like this. Not sure that I like this, to be honest. Not a fan, really. Let's try this one. Not bad. Not too shabby, you know what I mean? That one was a little bit still and quiet and boring, I think. But I like this one a bit. NASDAQ up 140 points from the lows. 3 minutes in the market open. Bounces. Now we're up 140. Just chilling above the overnight high at the 800s. $786 still overnight high. Yeah, music helps me a lot when I trade. I like just sounds. You know what I mean? Just something nice, something give my brain a little bit of something, but nothing too crazy. Words, I don't think I like words. I've never tried it, but a lot of songs hold emotion, right? So it's like I wouldn't really want to be tethered to the emotion that a song could be bringing. At least this is kind of just in the middle and just lets me feel how I want. Do you want to, I don't know, blue line at 666 and we bounce from it to a T, but it's too early for me. Yeah, it is pretty early. Yeah, we did bounce off your line like a perfect little dot though, brother. Ben and Gold since yesterday at 7:40 a.m. Added again around Asia session closure and riding it to the last 3 previous Asia high on gold. Work. Are you kidding? Yesterday at fucking, what'd you say, 7:40 a.m.? Oh my days. So you got this initial fucking pump. $40.45 work. 40, 45, and we're up at 41, 37. You're about to grab 100 fucking points. Work. Drop a W for that man smashing 100 fucking points in a market that is not easy to do whatsoever. 100 gold is crazy. Look at the volume. Buyer's still looking pretty certain now. Up into the 860s. 200 points off the low nearly. Yeah, more beasts like this. I listen to house music. Keeps me in a good state. I like that. We're Pat. Morning King, let's go. Let's get it, Matrix. Welcome in, brother. That's insane, though. Work. Absolutely love it. Inspiring, my friend. Inspiring. Yes, sir. I sent Santi the whole trade and told him to get in only 500 account as well. If this trade lands, it'll be at 1.3K. Wild. Making opportunity happen. My man's trading the live account, making me want it, making me teasing it, saying this is the way. Waiting for the 15-minute range at this point, and then we're going to go ahead and see what we get for opportunities. Technically, if we wanted to take a payout, that wouldn't be max, which I don't even mentally think I'm emotionally stable for right now to handle a 60K payout or around that type of money. Who knows? But we would need these accounts to be at 11,570, right? So we need 11,570 to get a half of that out, or 40% of it, whatever. Or no, you'd get half of it out. So you get like $5,500 and then whatever. So we'll see. Call me next time you get the tingle. I want your price. Nah, but King printed me 2.5 just waking up. It's okay. Just send me half. I can handle it. All right, Dave. You got it, King. He did print you 2.5. 60 bag or bust. Pat wants the 24 in the accounts. I mean, it would just be a long time. A lot of trading. I think if I took out like a 25K, it'd give me confidence to then stack the next one. But who knows? 200K this year. I want you back on Apex soon, bro. Want to hit a blinker. Smash a blinker for us, Work. We need that. Market's selling off from the 860s slightly into the 800s again. EMA's there. Overnight high at the 786s. My Goopas. What up? What up with it, Saab? Welcome in, King. Welcome, brother. In hand. 3, 2, 1, go. Blast. 978 above, 632 below. 978 above, which also feels like 30,000, doesn't it, Dave? 4-hour levels, and 632 is interesting. That's lining up with my VWAP, so that's not bad. 300 ticks on Goldie last night. Today's a good one. Saab, let's fucking go. You're crushing too. That man Work is in a massive gold trade himself. Love seeing the King's Goop. And that's it, baby. Hitting the golf course later today. Can we complain? Last time I played, I broke 100. Stop, I broke 100, brother. Ow! Like my 20th or something round, broke a hundo. It was very nice. I was an inch away from dropping my last putt for par. It would be like it would have been a 94, got a 95, but loved it. I knew you would. It's a great feeling. It's enough to make you show up again, just to probably shoot a 120 again today, and then be like, wow. Wow. I played an evening 9 last night, shot a 41. Oh, baby, that's fucking good-ass golf. On pace, you have a good back 9, you're breaking 80 with that. I'm guessing for you, you're probably not, like, the most happy with that. I would be stoked with that. Santi, I almost passed out. It's a big-ass hit, my man. You said you're golfing Friday, right? Maybe. I think if we go up at Island Falls. That's why. Well, Friday we're going up to. I'm not gonna be here tomorrow because we're gonna be We're gonna be up in like an hour and 20 minutes north at our family resort, having a vacation together. We didn't celebrate the 4th. We all had stuff to do, so we're gonna get together this weekend instead. And so I won't be here Friday, unfortunately. Yeah, I usually don't have a good back 9. Laugh my ass off. It's alright. King, you does that. King does what, Santi? Passing out. That's the play. You get fucked up. Enjoy it. Pass right out. Back nine, it's back and forth. I'll either have a really nice back nine or just continue the slot fest on the front nine. Big motherfucking days. Be in time with the people we love. Come on. W, bro, have a great time with the family. You really missed the stream, so enjoy, bro. I know, I still feel like I don't even want to miss it. I feel like I almost want to just go up in the morning. You know what I mean? Trade at like 8:30 to like 10 and then go up after, but I'm not sure. That would just be like 10 out of 10. You know? I don't like missing streams, so that's kind of what I'm thinking. But it's also like, what are we doing it for if we're not for the people we love, right? But I know my mom isn't going to be up there till around that time anyway, so she'll probably beat me by a couple hours if I end up doing that. So it wouldn't be the end of the world. And we can still have the whole day, whole night. NASDAQ, 15-minute range is in. Let's get it drawn up. Let's get ready. See what we have in store for us. 15-minute low. 15-minute high. Feels as though it's ready to potentially hold. 50% of the day is almost overnight high. So if we come down into that and a little retest, I'd be interested in trying along. Let's be patient though. I think 30,000 is possible to see us try to get up to. Where are you going, Killington? Today we're gonna be at Matanis. And then tomorrow, for our family, we're going up to Island Falls, which is a nice resort up, like I said, like an hour and like 20 from me. And, oh, my nose is itchy. Yeah, Island Falls, it's beautiful. I've never actually played up there. Sorry, guys, jeez. Yeah, it's my first year like being into golf, so I've been up there a couple times like the last few years, and I've seen the golf course but never actually played it. My allergies are shot right now, so this will be my first year playing it, but the views up there are immaculate. Played golf there at the mountain course, was beautiful. That sounds insane, subs. The shorts not feel good, no feel look good to anyone else. They don't look terrible, Santi. It's just tough because like, I don't know. Look at this hourly chart for me. I see what you see. It's just like we have a clear target above, possibly the 940s and possibly the 30,000s. Although here we go. Look at the volume. This is our chance, Santi. Look at this. Tons of volume just came in here. Barely breaking through the top of the 15. If we get this thing to invert and not continue through that, it'd be interesting for a little break and reclaim trade. So we'll see what happens. But I don't know, shorts just look rough for me, at least until 30 maybe. I'm looking for shorts at 30, 250, Santi. I wouldn't fade anything buying at the moment though. I'd have to see a reaction in my zone. Only time I'll take a short right now is if we get a strong closing and then a retest back towards these 870s. I'll take a short there and try it. Risk above the high. Excuse me. Get a strong closure below the EMA around like the 840s and then retest to the 70s, and I'll try that short. Especially because of the volume that we just got. Second most volume traded candle on the minute, breaking through the 15-minute range. So break and reclaim would be that volume isn't enough continuation. So then the sellers get their balance. And we'll see what happens down there. Or we just continue to chop and hold and go push to the 30Ks and no setups for the day. And that's what we're possibly looking at. Who knows? I don't, that's for sure. Man, if I did, whew. Oh, if I knew, baby, I'd be fucking... If only we could just know. You know what I mean? Like, fuck, man. How come I don't just know? Where are you going, NASDAQ? Right now, where is your thought? Where is your process? You tell me what price, I will buy or I will sell. All right? How about that? How about you just bring me right there? Holding at the top of the 15-minute range currently. EMA curling up. 50% of the 15-minute range is just around overnight high at the 786s. So, gonna be chill. See what we can find. Man, allergies are so stupid. Like, what do you mean my nose and my body's rejecting that pollen? Here we go. NASDAQ testing the EMA, top of the 15 again. Do we continue to find the support? I wouldn't fade. Along at the 678 open and close light 76 points, missing 130 points. Damn. Not a favorite thing to see, Matrix, I know, but be proud of that 76 points. Be proud of the win, King. If there's a reason you thought you could have held longer and you didn't, then if you didn't follow your rules, that's unfortunate. But as long as you did, then you did everything right, King. Here we go. A lot of the buying pressure, no continuation, getting deeper into the 15-minute range now. I might be trying to sell Santi. If we come back up and around these 80s or so, 70s, this is the 15-minute range break and reclaim. It's setting up to possibly be something. I'm going to have a tight stop on it above the 93, so I'm only going to risk like 15, 20 points. You see? I see now. I missed what I saw at the top. It's all right. We always get a retest. For me to be the break and reclaim would be retesting these 70s, technically 860s, and then stops at the 92s. So, me personally, I don't mind it. I'll try it. Limit sell 2 at the 863s. See if we get a chance. Now I have to wait for sellers to be done and buy. Interesting. Interesting. This is setting up for me to possibly see a trade back to the other side of the 15-minute range. Maybe. Break of the 15 minutes. Break of the range with a lot of volume. No continuation. Strong retest from the sellers. And now we're going to test the top of the 15 again. That would be my setup criteria for the shorts. I'm getting getting short at the 863s. Stop will be above the previous swing high. And we'll see. Obviously, the EMA is now going to be the obstacle with our entry, so we'll see if we even get a chance. Oh, we'll see if we even get a chance. If we don't get a chance, then yeah, I'm going to be looking for a potential long. If we don't get filled at the top of this range, I wouldn't mind trying to find a long and down somewhere in around the like overnight high price 760s, something like that. We'll see. Hey, there she is, Danny. Welcome in, Queen. Good days to you, ma'am. I say good morning, but it isn't your morning. You know what I mean? So good days. Yuck, price action. Not terrible. Bounced off a couple minutes of selling. Up into the 50-minute high, a little bit of a rejection. We'll see. We'll see what we can find. Good luck on the paper trading today, Queen. Hope you can find some shorts. Actually, my short Queen, do you like a setup up here at these 860s, possibly? Do you see anything potential there? Here we go. See if the buyers are going to give us a tap in now. Stops are going to be above that swing high. Just got tapped in. And that is the volume you would not really want to see if we are going to be correct. Instantaneously, not the volume you want to see if you're going to be correct. Nice.
Order filled.
Yeah, we're out of that. We're out of that. Not liking shorts yet, but not anymore. That's a strong buy candle. Be careful. That's why price action sucks. My setup is like, yeah, I mean, hey, that to me at least confirms buyers are trying, which means we could see the 30K's. We could be seeing the 30K's. News dropping as well in 8 minutes. Ba-da-dum-bum-ba-dum-bum. 900s, just found it. Not sure I would even want to join in longs now at the top of the 15, so. Only coming down to the 800s is pretty crazy there, although that's an 808, 800 hole number. 962 is VWAP on the daily. 962. That's also lines up with one of Dave's levels. I don't expect buyers to hold, but that 3-minute candle open was long AF. Yeah, we came down and then ripped. Just ripped. I don't expect buyers to hold. Santi, what'd you say? Too close to 30K for 30K to not be in play. Yeah, I agree. Now it is likely to be smashed. How do we get there? I don't know. The speed, we're just going to rip up. We're going to consolidate. We're going to chop. Buyers just didn't even test, overnight high with a retest there. They didn't even test 50% of the range. So there's a lot of spots to the low side that I expected to at least see a retry of with a tap in there, and they did not. Getting a little bit of resistance at these 9s still. I'm going to try to buy an EMA here. I'm going to try to buy an EMA here and see if we can just catch a runner. Buy an EMA, let this thing try to ride up. Top of the 15 is the 9 or 868s. We're getting in a little earlier than that, potentially. Hourly candles looking pretty bullish. $30K like a magnet. Yeah, it's being pretty strong right now. Very, very strong. Targeting. They're targeting. You can see we're just kind of crawling up too. It's not even that much volume. Just making our way up to the buy side. 30K could offer a pretty interesting short, maybe. But we'll see. We have news dropping in 4 minutes, so just be cautious and aware of that. I'm long from 861. Let's go, Pat. Come on, King. Ty, you got PayPal? I do. Why? Why, sir? For what reason do you queue Quanda? NASDAQ holding at the 920s right now. Huge, Pat. Love it. News is going to be buns. Nice small pullback. Maybe. I have an order at the top of the 15-minute range, so I wouldn't hate a little tap and go. I ain't gonna lie. Wouldn't hate a little top of the 15-minute range test. News dropping in 3 minutes, 2.5 really. And we'll see. We'll see where she wants to go. There's 30 people watching though, family. Could we get to that 30 like stream goal? It's been a few days since we've actually been like a week since we've gotten that. My PayPal is disabled and I'm trying to send money to Danny so she can get an account. I've got Cash App. I can send extra if you'd be down to PayPal her. For sure. I'd be down to help out. You're a king for doing that, sir. An actual king for doing that, man. Love it. NASDAQ sitting at the 920s. Where are we going? You can see it's just kind of chopping, holding to the top right now. He is the best. Truly, he is. I love seeing that shit. Oh shit, you just noticed you took a loss. Where was that from? I shorted the top of the 15, so we came in, we pushed off the top with this high volume at the top of the range, came back up into the top. I shorted here and exited like at the 96s or so. So I lost about 30 points, 2 contracts. W, full port it, make it count. Full port it or bust, right? Unfortunate. A bit, yes, a bit. We'll be all right. We'll be all right, King. Come on, NASDAQ. I hate this slow fucking trickle price action. Makes you feel like you have to buy any EMA pullback because it just doesn't want to go anywhere. News dropping in 45 seconds. We'll see what we can find. Have an order at the 872s, which is the top of the 15. I don't know if we actually get back down there. I'd love to see it, but currently forming a pretty nice bullish trend. Here we go into the EMA, and then this trend line is down here at the 887. So interesting to see that. Nice. I sent you money, Ty. Bet. Feels like this trend line is a spot to try a buy. I'm gonna buy 1 contract.
Order filled.
And then our second one's gonna be down here at the 872s if we get a fill. Just have a weird feeling this thing isn't gonna be super friendly. Alright, well, while we wait, I'm gonna go get Danny her money so she can trade. Pat Will sent you $100. What a king. Can I just say that? Can I just say what a king? What an absolute G check. And now we're gonna go PayPal Danny Hondo Beans. Hondo Megundo. You see NASDAQ's trying to hold this trend line. I don't know if it's going to. I still think we have a chance to get tapped in with our other contract, so we'll see what happens. PayPal. Wait, what do I usually send it to you on, Queen? Is it PayPal or is it Venmo? It is PayPal. Oh, okay. We'll get Euro. Danny will get Euro. Yes. Yes, she will. Ooh, I have to change my payment method. I believe you should be all set, Queen. W Pat again. Well, that's a 3K payout for the week. Let's go. Lie. Come on, King. Yeah, I'll be able to get more in the future. I look forward to it. I love that. like a king. NASDAQ coming down to our break even. It's kind of just trickling right now. I think we have a chance to get tapped into our other contract. Excuse me. Excuse me, mamma mia. Testing the bottom side of this trend line. Got to find some buying support if we're going to continue this little buying pressure. It's looking indecisive at the moment. Got it, King. Thank you. It's all Pat right there. Of course, Queen. Taking the bread and buying a flight to Brazil. Bye. Why Brazil, King? I love it, though. Currently looking for the longs to reclaim this trend line, maybe break back above that swing high. Look for continuation toward that 30K. Not sure if we're gonna go straight up though. I still expect us to kind of hold some pullbacks and get some liquidity. We'll see. Overall though, this is the type of trading that I'm usually not good at. It's just buying the EMA and waiting. So we'll see if it plays out today or not. Holding, chopping, holding. Not really going anywhere quickly. Just deciding where it wants to move. News didn't look like it was too impactful to price. Didn't really do much. My co-driver has a family in Brazil, so we're going for 2 weeks. Your co-driver, sounds awesome, Eli. Flight is the most expensive since I'm staying with his people. Yeah, just cover your travel, and then you got board and food, and get to be with actual homies, culture. It's great. If I were to buy, I would want to pull back to 850, 860 before I look for 30K. 850, 860, maybe. We'll see. I have an order at the 872s. Same trade for me. Yeah, it was a yellow folder, yeah. Pretty lackluster so far. Pretty chill so far, sir. Buying is looking a little just bored up here. They look a little tired, a little fatigued. Continuing to test this 895 price, 900 whole number. CPI Tuesday, full porting. It's the only acceptable answer, Eli. Buying is looking meh. We'll see. I don't disagree. We're starting to turn over a bit.
Order filled.
Just tagged into our contract there at the 870s. Trying to give this a little bit of decision time. Excuse me. would say buyers should have been able to get this thing to push if we were actually going to push off the top of the 15. So. I'm just not seeing the buyers able to hold this. Again, just the same thing that's gonna make me get angry. The only time we get 7 consecutive red candles in a row makes sense, dude.
Order filled.
It just makes sense, bro. The only fucking time all day we get 7 consecutive fucking candles of the same fucking color, man. Like, dude. Oh my fucking word. The only time. Have you seen any other point today where we have that many candles of the same color in a row? Not fucking one. Absolutely fucking a joke, man. I can't trade for shit lately. I'm just getting so fucking tired of this. God, man. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah. Keep selling, Nasdaq. It's absolutely insane. The only fucking time we get that many red candles in a row. Of course, perfect. Love it. Thank you so much. Perfect. I appreciate it. You're the best. Yep. We have these accounts from, I don't remember when we bought them, but I got the email that they're going to be renewed, so might as well trade them. I think they're down like $600 or $700, something like that. Yeah, they're down $700. Because I took a fucking short up here for this to play out, and it just decides to trickle down and fuck around at the 900s. For what reason? When the initial short should have been perfectly fucking okay. But no, it's going to go ahead and just trickle up and then give us the most consecutive fucking candles we've seen all day long. Instead, it holds the top of the 50-minute range, rejects the fucking rejection candle with the most buying volume that we've seen, and then pushes through. It's like, yeah, dude, totally makes sense. Makes a lot of fucking sense. Like, it's just moving like a fucking joke lately. And I am so bad at reading it. Like, God, dude. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 red. The only time we've had 9 consecutive candles the moment I'm in the trade. Yeah. These are MFF accounts, Danny. This is the short I wanted up here. Why did we go up and just trickle at the fucking 930s? Like, what the fuck is a 930 there for? Like, we get a break of the 15-minute range, a strong rejection, a retest of it, and decide instead of selling now, no, it wants to go ahead and just trickle sideways for fucking 10, 12 minutes, do nothing, and then the short that we were on and played out. It's just so fucking funny, dude. It's just so fucking funny. Everyone's like, oh, wait for 30K. Like, dude, this would count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 minutes of absolutely nothing before. And on our initial sell candle, we go sideways, literally sideways for 15 fucking minutes before the sell that we initially wanted plays through. Why? Look at the break and reclaim. Look where it goes. Back to the bottom of the 15 fucking minute range like I originally traded for. That's what this setup is. But instead, it wants to trickle above for 15 minutes and then plays through. Like, the setup was so clean. Strong volume pump through the range, a bigger rejection, retest at the top of the high. That is a break and reclaim trade. To what? The bottom of the 15-minute range. Where did we just go? Bottom of the 15-minute range. Why did we trickle 15 minutes up there? I don't know, but that's what we did. It's like, it's just... Hey, Saucy. Ironic. It's ironic, really. Ironic, really. Does Ty need a little spanking or what? Sure. Give it to me, sir. Like, oh my fucking god. 15 minutes before the actual trade that we fucking loved to take. Like, I just don't get it. I really just don't. Like, the setup was so consistent. so fucking frustrated off that. Halfway down with 50K after seeing sellers come in. Let's go, Eli. There's the bottom of the 15-minute range. Like we wanted up here. A break and reclaim trade. Break and reclaim trade. Oh, but wait for the 30s. But wait for the 30K. Wait for the 30s. But when you get the setup with a lot of volume breaking through the range, no continuation, a big closure inside of it, and a retest, that's the fucking trade. And instead, it wants to go up 60 points before fucking playing. So it's just so good. So good. What's even better is if I just held this trade and didn't close and just let it play, we get paid. But no, I closed my fucking long because, I mean my short because up 200 on the new account. Let's go, Danny. King, I see you're getting your money back from MFF. Welcome in, newbie. I don't know. I'm trying. We'll see what happens. Continues the murder fest where they just continue to have access to my bank account at will, it feels like, but we'll see. $632, 4-hour taken. Now it's going to play around in here and retest it for the 1 to 2 times at least. We'll see, Dave. It's a pretty nasty hourly candle rejection, so we'll see what that does. A lot of the market manipulation going on. You got this now. You're professional. No worries. No stress, King. I'm out. Have a great weekend, everyone. Have a great, everyone. I love you guys. Take it easy, Pat. Love you too, buddy. Appreciate you for being here. Appreciate what you did for Danny. Sheesh, dumperoni and cheese. She's dumperoni and biscuits on us right now. Exactly like we wanted up here at the 870s. Instead, it just knows to go to the 930s first for fucking 15 minutes before actually selling through. It just knows that is going to be effective. It's so good. It's so great. Hit DLL on my eval. I didn't want to take the profit. I was up 1.3. It is what it is, King. We try again tomorrow. Proud of your resilience, Matrix. You're right, brother. Good try. Hope you followed your rules and went for the 1.5. Getting stuck at 1.3 is unfortunate, but you're a good trader, King.
Order filled. Order filled.
Like when it's just not going your way, it's just not going your way. You know what I mean? Time to hit the gym, King. Let's go, Matrix. Go grab that health, baby. See you guys tomorrow. Absolutely. Yeah, when it's just not going your way lately, which is like, it's like a chicken or is it an egg? Is it my negative ass energy that's been causing me to trade like shit, or is my trading like shit, which is just probability, you know? Like, again, that trade that we took, you guys can say whatever, that 15-minute range trade shorts and holds and plays a lot of times. Today it still played, it just trickled up before I could handle it. So it's like, is it me? Am I just being awful? Is it just probability, which is making me feel like I'm awful? Like, it's just fucking, I just want to break something. I just want to hit something aggressively. And it's not a good impulse. Oh, look at, what do you know? What do you know? We're going to buy the VWAP, buy it, and the EMA is going to bounce, and we're going to hold here. I have it written down that if you trade your plan, it's a good day, no matter the outcome. That is very well put, Danny. It's very true. I'm just disappointed in myself. I took my setup and I didn't really follow my plan because I should have just let this be my fucking boomer bust trade. But after yesterday, I was like, I can't just hold a trade to death. But look at this. Look at this. Look at this break and reclaim. Break 50-minute range with volume. Strong rejection inside of it. A retest. We only go up from that retest 60 points. I could have handled all of that drawdown with 2 contracts. It would not have hit my 3K, and I would have been paid a lot of money. Would have been really ready for a payout. But it didn't happen because, you know, again, from yesterday's trauma, from enough of you guys in here saying 30K's, like, enough things. Mostly me, all me, saying, hey, don't hold a loser again. And instead, you're in the right trade. You're in the right trade, bro. Just wait for it to play out. Wait for it to play out. When do I not let it play out? But I didn't. I didn't let it play out. Why don't you follow your plans to W? Tricky day, wow. Yeah, just an awful day for me. Just an awful day for me. And we're holding the EMA. So this is a trade I shouldn't be in anymore. But it doesn't matter because I only have 10 points in drawdown left. So let it go. What am I going to do? Close? Try to top tick?
Order filled.
There it is.
Order filled.
Perfect. Yeah, I'm probably just going to call it a day, family. I mean, you guys don't want to sit here and listen to me just fucking bitch about how fucking poorly I'm trading. So just call it a day, huh? Let's just call it what it is. Just a fucking fat loss to the forehead. Because again, the setup that we love, just we didn't hold for it. And yeah, it's not good. No bueno. Could have done a lot better. Is what it is. Counts still have a balance in them. We can be grateful for that. We got bailed the fuck out yesterday. So at the end of the day, it's not the end of the world. Probably should have we should have hit this number yesterday anyway. So purely luck is what it is. MFF, we have, I think those are officially busted. I don't know. I close it, but we had, what we lost? We lost 700, we lost 1,500. So those are, or no, we lose $2,000. No, we lost 15. So they're at 2,200. So yeah, those are busted. Good. So MFFs are done. And yeah, coming back up an overnight high could be interesting. But buyers bounced off the VWAP and the EMA grab. So that's going to do it for us, family. I'm just going to go ahead and see myself out because my mindset is not going to help any of you guys trade better. So much love to all y'all hanging out, being a part of it. It's been like, I don't even know, weeks since we put our 30 like goal. So if you guys are here showing love, hit the button. Means a lot. I'm not sure if I'll be here tomorrow or not. Gonna make that decision on the fly. If I want to head up tonight or if I want to head up after trading, streaming tomorrow, I'm not sure. But you guys are the best. Thanks for being here. Thanks for being a part of it. Good luck. Keep your head up. See y'all soon. drink some sun, get some water, and hug somebody you love, family. It's what it really matters. I'll see y'all soon. Peace.